sis. I bet you're wondering, like, why I look so crappy right now. Well, it's probably just because I woke up. I woke up at like 4 o'clock and it's like 4:34, so I don't know. I'm not gonna keep this video too long. Whatever happens today happens. Hopefully I'll be vlogging it too, so, anyways, I'll talk to you later. Okay? Bye.
Hey Brittany, I'm gonna say hi again. I'm sorry, I really don't know how to swim, but I can only doggy paddle, but it's not really swimming, and I have to use this floaty thing. Hey, and I'm gonna make my dad say hi to you, okay?
What's up, girl? Having fun down there?
Spike is doing well, and I don't know if Fluffy's in the house, but you're probably busy or something, and I like vlogging you, and Shakespeare, he's been doing pretty well too, and I like to see you again if you ever come back over here. How do we start this thing?
I don't know. Not before we found out.